Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Elle. So in today's vlog, I'm just going to be doing a lot of admin work. I don't have any orders, so I'm going to focus this time to better prepare myself for one, now that I'm coming on hard with content creation and I have a small business, I need to schedule better. I also need to recount my inventory for my small business. So I'm gonna be doing all that and take you guys with me. So I hope you enjoy. I'm over here squatting, but the first thing I need to do is like straighten up a little bit. I have some stuff on the floor, some phone cases that I made that I use for like all my marketing stuff. So I needed to make a picture of all of them. So I'm just gonna like clean this up before I start counting the inventory. Yeah, so here's where all of my inventory is for my glass back phone cases. And so I still have all of these. They didn't sell as good as I thought they would. I bought a lot of inventory though. But the issue with this is that I sent my designs to the vendor and they printed them on themselves, as you can see. Yeah. And they're also glass back, so they aren't even protective. So it's really just like a look. So I'm going to be counting through these to see how many I have left of each design. And here you can see these are all of my blank cases. Now, you know, when you start a business, you learn, just like with anything in life. So now I'm able to have like thousands of my own designs on my website. And it doesn't matter if people buy them or not because they're print on demand. So whichever one someone purchases is when I make it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do the rest of the inventory count off camera, only because that took a lot and I don't got enough video storage to just be filming everything. Almost passed out. I had to take me a quick little food break because I realized I haven't ate today. And as I was like picking up the inventory and moving and stuff, I was getting lightheaded. So we're back in action. So I'm gonna finish up this last count behind me and then move on to the admin stuff. Okay guys, so I finished my inventory check and I updated it on my website. So now I have these thank you cards for my art business, and I lost this, but it's like a paper puncher to round the edges, and I lost this for so long, so I've been sending them like super square, and I hate that. So because I found it, I'm gonna go ahead and stamp some. All right, guys, so I am wrapping up with my to-do stuff. The last thing I need to do is create a better schedule, because now that I am trying to do content creation heavily now, along with my art business and promoting that on my social media sites, I have a lot of things I have to get done, and the last thing I need is to get burnt out. So I really want to make a schedule, like a recording schedule, an editing schedule, and posting schedule, so that way I'm a little more organized. That way I can still have time to hang out with my friends and family. So honestly, my goal is kind of be like 2 weeks ahead of schedule when it comes to YouTube videos. And then shorts, I know it depends, because you want to still be able to do like trendy things on like TikTok and YouTube shorts and all of that stuff. So what I'm probably gonna do is just have like bulk videos that aren't really trendy, but you know, still relatable. And then when those trendy sounds do come on, then I will quickly make those. I really hope you enjoyed this small vlog of me getting my life together, my business life together. If you like this content and you want to see more business vlogs like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.